Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be making a really cute cutting board project using the size A RV There Yet transfer. Look how completely adorable this transfer is. It would work well in an RV or perhaps on a wooden frame out camping as camp gear or even in the home of somebody who loves to camp. I decided to go ahead and use a bumblebee chalk paste to apply it to a square cutting board. The cutting board is a glass cutting board that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I was actually just trying to test to see if I could get the paste to stick to the surface because it wasn't exactly a smooth surface. And yes, if anybody was wondering, the paste does stick and it came out absolutely wonderful. So after I laid the transfer down flat, I just ran some bumblebee paste around, making sure that it was completely filled in through all of the silk screen. And then I'm going to remove the transfer from the edge, gently pulling up. And then if you want, there was a couple of spots where it leaked over. Again, the cutting board wasn't flat. So I just simply went back through with a Lysol wipe or perhaps even a baby wipe and it came right off. So there you guys have it. Thanks for stopping by and have a great one.